Hey everybody, Alexa with SereneLuxuries.com, digital marketing agency. Just wanted to jump on a video here with you guys and introduce you to a tool if you're not aware of it yet. It's fantastic for finding content. It's called FPTraffic.com. So I just recently started using this particular service. It is a paid service, a paid tool. It's $10 a month. But it saves me a lot of time in terms of searching for memes and content for my business page. And I also am able to schedule postings in advance. You can schedule posts in advance to your business page or to your Facebook page with a Facebook tool, but it'll only allow you to schedule, I think, one. This one's much more efficient. I really, as I'm saying, I just really enjoyed it. So what you want to do is you want to log in, create your account, sign up for your subscription. By the way, this is not a sponsored post. This is just a tool that I use that I really like. So first you want to create your schedule. So you're going to go over here to your dashboard, click on schedules, and you'll link up your page. Again, we're working with my business page, Serene Luxuries. So we're going to select profile. Okay. If you want to, I already have a set schedule. I'm not adding to it. So what you would do to add in these time frames is you want to click in here and then click on whatever time frame you're going to add. Okay. So something you want to just read through here is you want to be sure to schedule it using the time that's listed there, okay, on the server. Which I'm on Pacific Standard Time, so it's going by Central Standard Time, which is a 2-hour time difference, which is fine. That's what you want to put in here, whatever time the time difference is going to be if you have one. All right, so once you've set up your schedule, you want to click Save Schedule. And then let's jump right into the fun part and the goodies for our video today, which is finding content. Okay, you can also upload content as well if you have your own videos or your own um, memes or your own logo, something like that. You could do that too under upload content. But again, we're just going to find content today. And what you want to do, again, select your profile you're working with. Mine's going to be Serene Luxuries. And you want to just hit your keywords, okay? So what you want to do here is just, let's say we're going to look for Sunday quotes. Let's go with motivational quotes. And then you can put, let's say, tomorrow is Monday. Quotes. And there are some sources they have already available, right? Tumblr, Bing, YouTube, Giphy, Reddit, Flickr, Amazon, and eBay. So we're going to go with Tumblr, Bing, Giphy, and we'll go with Flickr for the purposes of our video. Click on Search Content Sources. So that one's really funny right here, this little baby. That's hilarious. Let's see. Please don't tell me tomorrow. Oh my God. Tomorrow is Monday. Tomorrow's Monday. There's a lot that came up for that, so we're probably going to post something to that effect. Stress out because tomorrow is Monday. So you'll be able to search through many, as you can see already. So let's see, I'm just looking for something that's kind of funny. Something that grabs someone's attention. Let's see. I kind of like the post at the top. So, well, let's load more. Why not? So I can show you how it works. So we're going to load more. See what comes up here. So we'll just keep going. I'm going to go back up to the top Yeah, let's do that. I'm going to go back up to the top because I really like that first one. That's the little baby that's like, you say Mondays. Okay. So we're going to take that and post it. So we're just going to click on schedule, right? We've already made our schedule. So we want to schedule this post. And then we want to go to scheduled posts. And we'll select our profile, Serene Luxuries, scheduled posts. And your newest scheduled post is going to be all the way at the bottom. So these are some other ones I've already selected. And here we are. Okay. So we're going to now go ahead and edit this caption right here. We want to edit our own. So we're just going to delete this. So we're going to just do like a call to action. So we're just going to say visit sereneluxuries.com to schedule your free consultation. Let's see, we'll say let's crush 2020. All right, so then once you've typed in your post, right, or what you want to say, you can see also that at the bottom it just typed in everything that I input there. Luckily it has spell check, which obviously it caught my website, which is perfectly fine. So we're just going to save this. And for the purposes of our video, we're just going to click on post now. And once it posts, it's going to show me in a green square at this upper right-hand corner of my screen, your post has been shared. So let's go ahead and jump over here to my business page. We're going to refresh the screen. And then once it comes up, we'll be able to see it's going to be the most recent post. Down. And by the way, while you're here, guys, throw that thumbs up on my Facebook business page. Share the love. Also, subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with other YouTube videos on other products that I use that help me grow my business. But here you can see our meme that we posted about Monday, my website, all the text I input there, and it posted it right away. So this is a super helpful tool. Again, it is a paid subscription. It's $10 a month. So that price may change. Be sure to click that link in the video description. I'll also include the link, of course, to my website and the link to my Facebook page. Let's stay in touch. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you on the next video.